And welcome to the CoinFlow lending platform. I'm sure you all remember the previous two videos introducing CoinFlow. I see many of you have already read them and participated. A new round of wealth opportunity has officially arrived. The third phase of the promotional plan not only continues the stable returns and financial security but also bringing more flexible income plans and more language support, allowing users around the world to participate without any barriers. So I will give that links in my video description, and to introduce hundred of bloggers around the world who is simultaneously promoting the CoinFlow lending platform, only driving the its popularity and buzz. So I will share their details. So why they are all people are choosing CoinFlow, I will share that. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review the project. But before that, I want to give you the reminder that this video is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing any kind of project or doing trades or anything on it. So it's up to you. I am just sharing for educational purpose. So I was saying about that, hundred of bloggers around the world who are stimulously promoting the CoinFlow lending platform online, driving its popularity. Why are so many people choosing CoinFlow? Because a global community with 24/7 real-time communication. They have transparent blockchain contracts, ensure secure and traceable funds fees, and they have free access to the fund and instant transfer without any capital tie-up. They have also stable daily returns and reinvestment boost wealth growth, make this a very stable investment project. Distribute portals ensure the seamless. You can see, observe the contract address. The total amount of funds currently held has exceed here $400k USD TBD. By analyzing each user deposit and withdrawal, this is a very impressive performance for decentralized contract address, and we will continue to monitor the contract address performance. CoinFlow is particularly stable for coin holders. When the project launched on August 10, the price of ETH was 3600. It's now 4300. If you have stake 100 ETH and on the smart contract back then you have earned 5 ETH over 21,500 USDT in just 10 days. This is an insignificant, you can see, income. Most important, you can freely assess your funds here and ensure the remaining in use without typing up your capital. So here all that you can optimize profits, and first of all you have to register yourself. I will give that link on it too. So you have to bind your wallet, as I already bind that. You have to participate in lending and start enjoying stable returns. So for that, I will show you in detail that how to you deposit. You can see debit. Here is the ETH, all are given. Show you how to deposit and withdraw funds along with some key details, deposit monitor, all that. So for that, I will just go to my mobile screen and share it with you. So now I will just share with you that how you can debit the amount here. For that, you have to enter the amount here. So I will just add 0.01 ETH here. So it will be added here. I will just click on OK option. You can see it's taking time. You can do in that way. So I'm already sharing that here is 0.001 ETH. You can see that you can, after do that, the approval, which is the amount here, you can do up to you that how much you want it here. So it will take time, and I will again give you the reminder that this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. Do your own research, see the results, and then work on it. You can see 0.001 is added on it. You can in that way add it here, and you can go for that. So now I will just share with you all that. You can even see it here. So now I will go back and share with you further. So this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. I share all the detail that how you can deposit and earn. Stay tuned, and we'll show you how to earn returns later. CoinFlow use cryptocurrency to continuously grow your asset, power your own for security, and all that. So if you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.